Yo, good afternoon, guys. Yeah, we are going home now. I noticed that there are many, sailor in there. What's that? Wind surfing? No, sailing. Oh, I don't know. I forgot. Yeah, but there are many. Yeah, I finished at 2 o'clock today. Actually, 2:35 already when I sign out. And the same like the previous 3 days. There is a sprinkler of water at the moment. Not too much. Just it's okay. I will write you. Yeah, rough road. Oh, there's a big dog. Oh, look at that van. That van has a elevator. Nice. Some of the taxi service here in Nelson Bay, here in Port Stephen, there is a lifter, like an elevator. Because there are some people who need to use that, those in the wheelchair. This is going to do some kind of sailing, windsurfing. We are first going to the town center because I still feel like singing along with the music. I don't know if you can see those is what those are the sailing that I was telling you. Yeah, there is color yellow, red and white. There are so many of them. Some of them you cannot really recognize the color because it's very far, and there are few people in there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 people. It is now 3:27. I am preparing my meal. The rice is already hot. I made this longganisa by myself. Yo, good afternoon, guys. Not really good because yesterday someone took my GoPro Hero 9, my camera set up for vlogging. Yeah, so basically I went to one of the hotel here in Nelson Bay to meet some people. They are watching my videos. Yeah, so I met them. I went to their hotel room. Actually, it's like an apartment. And so basically I leave the bike in front of the door. The door, it is near to the passage, near to the hallway. Going upstairs, going to the staircase. Yeah, I was not aware that someone is going to take it. So I leave it there, and then we go inside. And inside we had a good chat, we had a good conversation. We eat, really nice. Yeah, and that around 10 o'clock, I was about to go home. When I get out of the door, yeah, that's when I realized that, oh, my camera is gone. We tried to find it. We tried to find it in the sofa, on my bike, but it's really gone. Yeah, someone from there intentionally took it. And because it is intentional, for sure, I am not going to recover it. I will not be able to get it back. That's why I bought a new one, because I will not be happy. I will always be tempting to buy a new one. And now that I got a new one, I bought it. I just wait for it to be delivered and things will be back to normal. No worry, no problem, no pressure. Yeah, will be good. I wasted some dollars, but it's okay. I am now good. I will be just waiting for this camera to arrive on Thursday. So today is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 3 days more. I am now hungry. It is already 1:30. The rice is just cooked. Oh, this is coming from Rafael and Emil and Carmel. And yesterday I want to say thank you to Kuya Winnie, Ate Imelda, and Ate Odette and Kuya Pat. And they actually gave this to me. A new t-shirt. And another one. They are surfing t-shirt. The brand is Carb. Also, Ate Imelda gave me these cookies, brownies. So this basically like a rice cake. I don't know if I need to pay for this because this is too much. I forgot the name. It is now 6:20. I'm watching the news, but I'm hungry now. Yeah, this is going to be my dinner. Already 6:36. I'm still watching the news. Yo, good afternoon, guys. Two lorikettes they're running, flying. Yeah, well, we are going home now. Today I finished at already 2:15. Oh man, look at this. There is actually a drainage here. Yeah. Yeah, so basically there is a drainage in there going to that side, but you don't see it if you before it is not showing because it is covered with the sand. Actually this is the first time that I see it with that open like that. Yeah, okay, we go. Today I start at 6 o'clock. Every one of us start at 6 o'clock. There is a new guy. The name is Lachlan. I see some names like that before, but this is the first time that I meet a person. The name is Lachlan personally. Before I just read it somewhere or I heard it somewhere. Oh, this bird. This time I am using this GoPro Hero 8. Because I mentioned to you before that my GoPro Hero 9 was stolen, and actually the new GoPro that I bought yesterday is coming today. Yeah, the one that I bought from Amazon. Yeah, very fast. I just bought yesterday and it is now coming. Afternoon, sorry. Thank you. That's a little bit late. My bell was a little bit late, but it's good. The lady was still smiling when she looked back. You know, this morning it was raining. Yeah, I was wearing my rain jacket, rain trouser, and my bag is covered with the rain cover. Yeah, so I got to workplace dry, and during my break time there is a little sprinkler of water. Good afternoon. Yeah, there's just a little sprinkler of water, and then this time when I get out of the workplace, already sunny like this. Yeah. Nice, but it's a little windy. I don't know if it is going to rain, but at the moment I don't see anything, any sign that this is going to rain. Everything is just white clouds and blue sky. Today we are going to check, because you know it's more than a week since I leave the money. You know, you remember last Australia Day I leave some money in near the Arbora Marina, $50. I leave it there. Yeah, today we are going to check. Maybe it is still there. I leave that money there for someone, for them to find out, and surprise for them. This is how it is at the moment. There are some people, they are fishing, some are walking their dog. Yeah, and there is one guy here, he's snorkeling. If you seen my video before, I leave that money in there. I don't know who took it, but Yeah, I'm happy for them. I hope they are happy for that. Not so much people this time. Never gonna lose my mind. Yeah, we're just going to check if the money is there. They removed already the playground. Oh, the money is actually still here. Look at that. That one, that is the $50. So if you happen to be here in Nelson Bay, here in Nelson Bay portion, oh, there's one big fish. That one, you don't see it. Yeah, between Nelson Bay portion and this Albura Marina. Yeah, the money is just there. If you need it, come here and take it. I mentioned to you that I am using now the GoPro Hero 8. Yeah, this is one of the disadvantages of the Hero 8. It doesn't have the horizon leveling. I just received this package and yeah, it says like that: sorry, received at the DC in this condition. It's now ready again to put in the tripod.